Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elle here. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm obviously not wearing my makeup at the moment. I put a poll up on my Instagram story asking if you guys want to see me do a tutorial on an unstructured spotlight eye, which I've been loving at the minute, or if I should do the no mirror makeup challenge. And you guys voted for the no mirror makeup challenge, so here we are. Yeah, this is going to be a bit of a laugh because I have no idea what I'm going to do and I'll probably look like a complete mess at the end, but at least you guys can have a laugh. But yeah, it'll be a bit of fun. It's makeup, it wipes off, so it doesn't really matter, does it? But yeah, so hopefully you'll be able to laugh along at home at how shocking my makeup will look because I have no mirror. Brill. Well, let's just get started. So I'm just gonna brush my brows up first. This is so weird. I've decided I'm not going to fill my brows in because I've not really been filling them in recently anyway. I literally just put the MAC False Lash Maximizer through my brows. That is literally all I do. All I've been doing recently anyway. So just brush the brows up. This is going to look terrible, isn't it? But all I do is I brush them up and then I just flatten them to my skin. Do you know what? This is harder than I thought it was going to be. It feels really weird to not have a mirror. I don't know what they look like, but I hope they look okay. So time to do my base now on my eyes, which is the P. Louise base in the shade 2. Taking a Peaches and Cream PC52 brush just to apply that. Oh, this is going to be interesting, trying to carve the brows out. Think it's there. Oh, fudge. I don't know what I'm doing. Is this really bad, guys? Just comment below how bad this is. I'm obviously not going to do anything crazy dramatic on my eyes, considering I can't see what I'm doing. I've got his base on, got his brows brushed up. It's time to start with the eyeshadow, which is obviously the Carnival Extra Large Pro Palette from Be Perfect by Stacey Marie, sorry. I'm going to go in with the shade Hall first, which is this deep brown right here. This is probably a big mistake, and I'm just going to use a pencil brush. This is just from Crown Brush. Right, let's see. Oh, I'm scared. Why? I'm just, I would explain to you what I'm doing, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm trying to just blend this dark brown shade into my crease. It probably looks a bit of a mess though. Just trying to feel for where my crease is. I think I've got the dark brown shade on. So I'm now going to go in with the shade Basic, which is this one right here. Just like stuck my finger in that, brill. And I'm going to use a Zoe, oh no it's not, it's a MAC 217 brush, sorry, just to try and blend this out. So what I'm trying to do is just take that just above the crease, sort of just above where we put the dark brown, and blend over it. That's what I'm trying to do. And just because I'm scared I've probably not blended it right, I'm just going to take a clean blending brush. This is a MAC 224. Just blending the edges, or attempting to blend the edges. I just hope this looks okay. It's a good thing I'm not going anywhere after this, right? Can you imagine? I feel like really weird because I feel like this hand's got nothing to do because it's not holding a mirror or anything. So I don't know what to do with it. It's just kind of, I got an itch. It's just kind of here. I'm going to go back in with the darker colour on the pencil brush. Just attempt to deepen this up a bit. I'm just trying to do this from like almost like memory of how I would, like what I would usually do. Let's get a lid shade on there. Try and fix, I don't know what I'm doing. By the way, I know there's a mirror on the back of this, but I've not actually looked in the mirror, just saying. I'm going to use this shade. I've never actually used this shade. It's called Splendor. I think that's what it's called. This shimmer right here. Never actually used it, so this will be fun. I'm going to use this on a Zoeva 234 brush. It's just a flat shade brush. This is interesting, using an eyeshadow shade that you've never actually used before, Ellen, when you've currently not got a mirror. I'm not doing like a full-on cut crease or anything. I'm not cutting my crease. I am just putting this over the lid. I don't know like how much shadow this is like that is being deposited onto my lid, so I don't know if it's like already covered my entire lid or if I've got white patches. I'm gonna have a shock when I look in the mirror at the end of this. Oh dear. I'm gonna then just take the fluffy brush again just to blend, just in case I've got any of that shimmer in my crease. That wouldn't be cute. That's not what I'm wanting to do. Yeah, so I'm gonna attempt to smoke out my lash line. This might be like a really bad decision, but I'm gonna take the shade Intuition, which is the bottom shade here. It's the darkest brown in the palette. I'm gonna mix that with a bit of Haul, which was the first brown shade we use, and I'm taking this on a Zoeva 237 brush. It's really diddy like little definer brush. Let's see how this goes. I think I'm at my lash line. I hope I'm at my lash line. I feel like I probably shouldn't put falsies on in this video. I don't know how that would go down. So I might just try and do loads of mascara. It's so weird because I didn't think it'd be as hard as it is. I knew it'd be difficult, but for some reason I thought it'd be a bit easier than what it is. I don't know if I've got any fall down or not. I have no idea, but I'm just going to take a wipe just in case and just wipe underneath my eye. Oh, from looking at that wipe, yeah, I did have some fall down. Just didn't know about it. I'm going to take some more of the P. Louise base now. Same one that I used on my actual lid, and I'm going to put this underneath my eye on my lower lash line, so I've got something to blend the eyeshadow onto. Hopefully I don't get this in my eye. This is just a Spectrum brush. It's just a fluffy brush from Spectrum. I don't know the number because it's worn off. How crazy do I look at the minute? I'm scared. I'm actually scared. I'm trying to do something like quick. I'm trying to not spend loads of time on it because I feel like without a mirror, if I just spend loads and loads of time on it, it's probably going to look worse than it would already. I don't know. Has anyone done this challenge before? Comment below if you've done this challenge. And that really petite brush we were just using on the lash line, I'm going to take that again with the same two shades for the lash line again. Ooh. I'm just going to take the pencil brush again, but I'm going to go in with the lightest shade we use. I just wanted to do it with a smaller brush and run that underneath. I'm now just going to take Feline from MAC. It's just a black eyeliner pencil. I'm going to put this in my waterline if I can. This feels weird. Should I try and tightline or not? Okay, I'm just happy I didn't poke myself in the eye doing that then. That's all I'm going to say. Mascara time, and then I'm going to move on to skin. So I'm just taking any mascara. Like, I cannot find a good mascara. This is just what I'm using at the minute. I don't even know what it is. It's just like from Rimmel. It's like Scandalise. I don't know. It's not that great. It doesn't really dry very quickly. It stays wet for ages and I don't like it. But if anyone knows of any good mascaras, let me know. Oh God, lower lashes. I feel like my eyelashes are gonna look like spider's legs. Oh, my eye. How am I looking so far? Do I look pretty yet? Ooh. This is like not going well, is it? Okay. Eye brushes out the way, we're done with them. Face brushes. I don't know why I said it like that. Right, okay. So let's put some primer on first. This one I feel confident I could do this without a mirror anyway. So this is the XX Revolution Cloud Complexion Primer. It's time for foundation, which I'm a bit worried about because I do have to mix two together. So I don't know how this is going to work, if I'm going to get my colour match right. Hopefully I do. Fingers crossed. And these are both by Makeup Revolution. It's the Conceal and Hydrate foundation. I've just got one in F6 and the dark one is F9.5. Just try and dot this on my skin. I'm going to use a Peaches and Cream PC19 brush just to, I don't know why I've got eyeliner all over my thumb. It's ridiculous. But I'm using a PC19 brush from Peaches and Cream just to then blend this in. I mean, I feel like this part of it, the blending it in, should be the easiest thing to do without a mirror. She says. Might not be though. I don't know like if I've gonna have streaks in this or not. Or if it's actually gonna be blended. I hope it's gonna be blended. Pray for me guys, pray for me. So next I'm going to go in with some concealer because even though I can't see my face, I am well aware that I'll probably still have bags underneath my eyes. Oh my god, my eyes are now starting to water as well. This is not good. So I'm going to go in with the XX Revolution. I think this is called their Perfect Skin Concealer. I'm not really sure. There, I think. Hope. And there. How am I looking? I'm going to blend that out with the PC27 brush from Peaches and Cream. And then just to get closer to my eyes and a bit more careful, I'm just going to go in with this smaller fluffy brush from Spectrum, which again I don't know the number of it. I'm going to set that now with, not with this is the brush I'm using, I'm going to set it with the MAC Water Weight Powder and the PC04 brush from Peaches and Cream. Mostly just underneath my eyes. I almost forgot this has got a compact mirror. It's got a compact in the... It's got a mirror in the compact. Oh my god, why could I not say that? It's got a mirror in the compact. I've not seen what I look like though. That would have been... That was close though. That was close. Let's powder underneath those eyes. Oh, bronzing time. This was going to be fun. I'm going to go in with the Chaos Bronzer from XX Revolution and the MAC 135 brush, which is the brush that I always use. I keep forgetting these compacts have mirrors in them, so I need to be careful when I open them. Right. Let's hope I can blend this out alright with no mirror. I've just realised I did pick one of the most pigmented bronzers that I own as well for this. Probably not the smartest of decisions. So for blush I'm going to use Hush Tone from MAC and I'm just using a Real Techniques blush brush just to apply this. This feels right. This is where I usually apply it a little bit higher than like the apples of my cheeks, so it feels like I'm applying it in the right place. I don't know if I'm applying way too much though. Because I've got no mirror, I really just genuinely do not know where to actually look. So if I keep just looking around everywhere, I'm sorry, I just don't know where to look. Oh my god, I feel like I've just probably been going like really overboard with that blush because I just kept talking. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use this one from Too Faced. It's called Blinded by the Light. I can never open these. This is what it looks like. It's very bright and dazzling. I'm going to use a Peaches and Cream, what brush is this? A PC28 brush to apply it. That feels like my cheekbone, so we're gonna go for it. I think the thing I'm scared about most is the lipstick. I'm not gonna do a lip liner because I feel like if I do a lip liner, it's just too precise and it's gonna go terribly wrong. So I'm just gonna do a lipstick with a gloss over it and hope for the best. For lips, I'm gonna go in with Nude Kate from Charlotte Tilbury. Let's hope this works. You see the concentration in my face as I'm trying to feel for my Cupid's bow. And for gloss, I'm going to go in with this one from MAC. It's called It's Just Like Honey. The gloss should be easier because I've not got to be so precise. I'm just putting it over the top. So I'm done. I've still not looked in the mirror yet. I'm a bit scared, but I'll let you be the judge. Comment down below how well I did or how badly I did because I feel like it's going to be pretty bad. But let me just grab a mirror and judge whatever's just gone off on my face right now. So I've got my mirror right here, which I haven't looked in yet, and I'm a little bit scared, so here goes nothing. Okay. Right, I'm just gonna inspect. Okay, so I've missed like this inner part of my lid, if you can see, with the shimmer. Not great. It's not blended great. Like, I could have blended that a bit more on the edge there. And obviously everything always looks better with false lashes on, which I've not got on. My eyebrows, to be fair, other than like these two random hairs that are sticking up here, like my eyebrows aren't too bad, in my opinion. Okay, the colour match isn't great, let's be honest. Yeah, the colour match isn't great of the foundation. Like, it's definitely darker than my neck. Definitely put too much of the dark one on there and not enough light. I feel like from a distance it doesn't look so bad, but up close it looks like pretty bad. Like, yeah. What are we thinking? It's not terrible. Like, I feel like I've seen worse makeup, and I've probably done worse makeup when I was younger, but it's not obviously brilliant. To be fair, I feel like I look a bit better than what I thought I was going to look. What do you think? So there we go. That was my no mirror makeup challenge. What do you guys think? How bad did I do? Comment below. Score it out of 10. Give me a score out of 10 for how bad you think my makeup looks. Like, 10 being it's actually really good, and which obviously wouldn't be 10, but 10 being like the best and like 1 being like the worst. Like, what do you think it is? Yeah, I feel like this video has gone really quick because I've like just sort of not, I don't know, not overdone it because I couldn't see what I was doing, so I was just like, ah, that'll do. Whack it on, that'll do. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this video, if you like to see these like makeup challenge videos, and if you want me to do more. If you've got a makeup challenge video that you've seen people do, or you've just got one in mind, let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do it, because this was quite fun. Like, it's not great, my makeup doesn't look brilliant, but it was quite fun to do. So let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to do any other makeup challenge videos, because like I enjoyed it. Even if I do look shocking, I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and also make sure you click the subscription box down below as well, because if you're watching the video, why don't you subscribe to my channel? That's all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. But that is everything for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.